So say this is M12, the Russian number station, spy number station, or we could call it diplomatic today because it's probably going to an embassy. So this is for the Pacific area, which means it's sent out of Russia by the Asiatic Russia side for the Pacific, 13484, and it's 0341 UT. So you got a map here. So this is a Russian spy station that is broadcasting in Morse code. It's called M12. We hear it at different times. We hear it also broadcasting towards Europe sometimes. But at this time it's really broadcasting towards the Pacific area.